Welcome to How to Pottery and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a warped, leaking mold. They can be messy, they can waste your product, and slip is expensive, so we don't want to do that. Just give me 5 minutes and I'll show you a quick, easy fix. Grab a clean bucket or a container or something that you can completely submerge your mold in. You need to use fresh, clean water, preferably non-chlorinated. Now, do you hear the hissing and the whistling and that? These molds will make all sorts of noise. Now, there's thunder in the background right now, but all of the things that sound like birds and the whistling and chirping and all of that, that's the molds. So when the bubbles stop, we're going to pull it out and set it out to drain the excess water. If you have leaks on the corners, you're going to put your 1x1s where the leak is at, and you're going to put your weight over where the leak is at. It's like this. If I'm leaking from my corners, I'm going to put my board under the corner, and I'm going to put my weight here and here. I know the graph says 50 to 100 pounds, and you can use that much on a mold this size. Or you can use 2 molds directly over the leak, and then 25 pounds to 50 pounds, and that is still going to push down on these corners. If your leak is on the bottom of your mold, put it on your 1x1 and make sure the weight is even on the edge. Now, if your leak is on the end, I'm going to put this here, set this on top of it, and put your weight so it's coming down evenly on the bottom. And if you have a leak in the center, then you're going to put your 1x1s close to where the leak is at, and you're going to put your weight directly in the center to push down to close up that hole. You put your, say right here to here is where we leak. We put our boards on either side of the leak. So if the leak is from here to here, then we're going to spread them out. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to say it's smack in the middle right there. So then we're going to take our board and we're going to put it, our mold, and we're going to put it on edge right over that leak, wherever it is. We're going to put our weight on top of this. Now, there's another way to do this too. If you don't want to soak your mold and weight it down, and sometimes 2 or 3 times, it just depends on the mold, you can also just kind of put a little Band-Aid on it. So use your waste clay. Your waste clay is what comes out of your mold. So when you cut this part off for your well, you're going to have some waste clay inevitably on all of your molds, especially if you're joining 2 molds together. You're going to have the waste clay from one or the other that you're not going to use, or maybe a mold collapsed or whatever. Save it, put it into a bag, because we're going to use it. As your molds age, you're gonna want to do this. Now, I don't do this to most of my molds anyway, just because. So I put it in here, and we're going to put it in the seams. Now, when it comes to your strapping, don't take it off. Take this and just push it up underneath it. That's all. And it will plug even big holes like this. And you push it into the seams right here. Push it up underneath there, and it will stop it. And while you're pouring, if you get a little leak, it's okay. Just put some clay on it. Everything will be all right. And you can do this to all of your molds if you want to, because that's what I do, because inevitably I'm going to have an accident. I've got enough mess to clean up around here. So this is the last resort. If you don't want to fix your mold, you can still use them. Just plug the hole. See what I tell you? Very quick, very easy. Anybody can do this. Now, if you make your own molds, or if you buy commercial molds, sooner or later, you're going to have a warped, leaky mold, especially if you have a studio like mine where the humidity is kind of high. It happens. And when it does, now you've got a very quick and easy fix. I hope I taught you something. And if you want to learn how to make your own molds, right here.
Magic molds will save the day. Creativity in motion. Fun like waves upon the ocean.